And here we are, finally inside Microsoft Access 2003. I'd like to give you a tour of the user interface so that we can see exactly where all of our tools are, but unfortunately, unlike all of the other applications inside the Office suite, what you see is what you got. Most of the toolbars and the features that you're going to be working with will only reveal themselves as you get to that stage, so we'll be looking at those throughout the training. A few things I can point out to you is the task pane here on the right-hand side. This is brand new to the entire 2003 Office suite. It by default is set up to a help or an informational style, and you'll notice we have some shortcuts down here, very much leveraging the .NET platform and the HTML styles that are going into a lot of the development in the newest Office suites. So that's the task pane. Here at the top, I can tell you that we have our title bar, which is going to show the name of the database as we start creating them. We have our menus, very, very important. This is where all of our features are found. Again, at the bottom of each menu, you might see the double arrow. If you click that to expand it, now that I've expanded one, they're all expanded. Or you can simply hover on a menu long enough and it will expand itself. There it goes. What Microsoft Office is attempting to do is show you the tools that you use often instead of the entire list, and it updates those as you find them. So when I go to a new menu and expand that menu and choose a new option, that option then moves into the visible category for as many times as I'm going to use it, until of course it hasn't been used in some time and other features are being used, so it tries to balance out the menus for you to give you the tools you need. And right below the menu bar we have our very familiar standard toolbar, and I believe they call this the database toolbar. If you right click in this blank area, you'll get a list of the toolbars that you can turn on and off. Now in any other application this list is 14 objects long, but here in Microsoft Access 2003 we have the database toolbar, the task pane, which is on our screen, and the web toolbar, and that's it. There are a large number of other toolbars available, but they only pop up when you're performing those tasks. So we'll look at the UI as we continue our training, and for now, we'll leave that as our tour of the user interface.